Are you out there feeling stuck because you want to relocate abroad, or you just want to be able to have the opportunity to go travel and explore the world, but you just don't know where to start, or you don't even know which opportunities to look out for, or what's even available right now? You probably might be stuck thinking that, oh my God, maybe the year is almost coming to an end and you don't know what to do about it. Well, if that's you that I'm talking to, then this video is for you, because I have an amazing opportunity for you to go and relocate to Australia. So this is an amazing conference that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. So if this is something that you're interested in listening to, then you might want to stick around. Feel free to subscribe, share, like, and let's dive in. Hello, welcome back to Nicole the Career Catalyst. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, I'm so excited to have you on board. And if you're my returning subscriber, then you're definitely my G. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. I am so excited to have you on here yet again. So this is yet another video for me to share with you different ways to move abroad if that is your goal. So if you're looking at maybe conferences, if you're looking at different job opportunities, if you're looking at scholarships, whether it is through studies, through research opportunities, fellowships, this is the channel for you to stay tuned at. So as usual, I have another amazing opportunity for you. You definitely wouldn't want to miss it. So let's dive in. Okay, great. So if you're interested in visiting Australia, then I would love to share with you about the Women Deliver conference that's going to be happening in Melbourne, Australia. So this is a conference specifically for women. Unfortunately, if you're a guy, I'm afraid this may not be for you. However, there's still many more other opportunities that I keep sharing on here, so feel free to check out my playlist over here. So let's dive in and I show you how you can apply for this opportunity, some of their requirements, what they're looking for, and even the deadline. So let's jump in so that I can explain to you how to apply for this amazing conference. Okay, so here is yet another conference opportunity called the Women Deliver 2026 conference. So this conference is going to be happening on the 27th to 30th April 2026. The Women Deliver conference will be regionally hosted for the first time by the Oceanic Pacific in Naarm, Melbourne, Australia. The leadership and lived experience of feminist First Nations leaders and advocates across the Oceanic Pacific. Over 6,500 advocates from grassroots organizers to policymakers will gather to share strategies, build solidarity, and shape bold feminist futures. So you can click there to learn more about it. So registration is open for WD 2026. So that is not the part that I'm interested in for now. As we scroll, this is the part that I'm interested in, that I'm also sure a lot of people watching me may also be interested in. So they have quite a couple of scholarships. So it's access for those who need it the most. So these scholarships are open to youth under 30 from or based in the Oceanic Pacific. So please go to Google and search if your country falls under Oceanic Pacific, then you're eligible, and if it's not, then I'm afraid you're not. So with priority for First Nations and Indigenous individuals, LGBTQIA+, youth persons with disabilities, disabled persons, and adolescent girls and women from under-resourced communities. They cover everything: travel, visa fees, accommodation, per diems, insurance, and registration. So those most impacted can lead the way. So applications open on the 18th of July and they will close on 10th August. So let me just click there to read more about the scholarships. Okay, so who can apply? I think we have already seen this. You should be under the age of 30, community-based activists, young people from these different categories, and then the Pacific Ocean is composed of 24 countries and territories, so American Samoa, Australia, Cook Islands, Federal States of Micronesia, Fiji, French Polynesia, Tonga, Tuvalu, Vanuatu, yeah, and all of that, basically like in the Pacific. So if you fall among those, then you're eligible for this scholarship. So It covers full conference, as we have already seen, full conference registration, hotel accommodation, round trip, visa fees, per diems, travel insurance. So for participants with disabilities who require a support person or adolescents under age 18 who need travel with a guidance, the scholarship also covers expenses for one accompanying person. Wow, how generous. So what is the selection process like? Applications will be reviewed by members of the WD 2026 Coordination Group, Regional Steering Committee, and Women Deliver staff. Selection is based on the strength and clarity of responses provided in the application form. All applicants will be notified by November 2025. So, what do they ask of the scholarship recipients? Active and full participation in the conference and related activities. Full details will come in, and then adherence to their code of conduct, which you can click over there to apply. So I'm not really seeing the exact scholarship link, but I think that is probably going to open by the 18th of July 2025. Yeah, because I don't really see the link here. So, but anyways, in case if you have any questions still, you can always reach out to them. This is their email address and this is their website. So I'll leave the link as well in the description box below so that you can connect with them. And if you fall under this category and you're eligible, then definitely go ahead and apply for it. And in case if you need any further assistance with your application, reviewing it, and providing you valuable feedback, then feel free to book my consultation call, which will be in the description box as well as the comment section. So that was it. Great. So that was it for the video. I hope that you've now understood the process of how to apply for this scholarship. And if you're still stuck, even after watching this video, because it already happens, a lot of people still keep inboxing me, even after me showing them the entire process on how to apply for some of these opportunities, I still receive a lot of DMs of people still asking me to support them with the applications. So if you're stuck and you need any support, then feel free to book my consultation call. I'll leave the link in the description box as well as in the comments below so that you can book a consultation call with me and I can be able to help you with your application. If you want me to review your work and to give you proper feedback on, helping you to make your application even much more stronger, feel free to book that consultation call with me. Guys, please take the time, book the call in case if you want to be able to get that extra hand of support. Do not deal with some of these things on your own because I know how stressful it can be for you to, have to think without really having that other external hand of support to guide you. So I am here for you, your G, so feel free to book that call. So that was it, guys. In case if you would love to connect with me still, even outside YouTube, then feel free to follow me on Instagram. Whatever questions that you have, you can always DM me there and I will definitely reach out to you. So that was it for today's video. I'll definitely catch you in the next one. So feel free to share, subscribe, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye for now.